Yeah, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
One second. Classification, nothing but odd man out. So here odd means it is not even odd, okay. It is odd means different. There is a different one, there is a different element. We need to identify that element. We need to bring out that element. Okay. Okay, so we have to classify the things. We have to classify the given things, and the one which does not belong to that group. Generally, question will be like this: four elements are given. Sorry, 5 elements are given. 4 of the following are similar in certain way, and so form a group. The one which does not belong to that group is. Got it?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is nothing but odd man out, or we can say classification also. So here also the same type of models as we discussed in analogy. So analogy models are number analogy, right?
Number analogy,
Similarly,
word,
number
Number,
classification,
word.
word,
letter
number
analogy,
and word,
letter analogy, similarly letter classification, and word analogy. Similarly, word classification. Next is number come letter
Let-
classification, number and letter combinations also. And one more is,
general knowledge,
yeah, very good, GK classification. And one more is non-verbal analogy. Similarly, non-verbal classification. Okay, non-verbal means pictorial.
Pictographs.
Yeah. Every time it is happening. Okay, let us see some examples. Later we'll start. We'll do some exercise. Number classification. Tell me, if any number is given, what type of categories are there in numbers? With respect
prime,
to numbers? Yeah, very good.
natural,
Whole
Natural
numbers.
numbers, prime numbers, and
Integers. Whole
integers,
numbers.
whole numbers,
okay, okay,
real numbers, rational, irrational,
okay. Prime numbers, composite numbers, even numbers and odd numbers also, right?
compound numbers,
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Other than these things, squares and cubes. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Let me write the priority order. Sorry, it is not priority order. It is our order to check the things. One second. I selected eraser, but it is not erasing. Okay.
So you can use white pen.
White pen, separate application.
And no, sir. I mean, like if eraser is not working, you can just take the white color pen and just scribble on it.
And again, on the same line, I have to draw then.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll leave that. We will leave that, and
So this Sunday we'll have test.
because of too busy schedule, I'm unable to arrange the test. This Sunday we'll try. Every Sunday it is happening. I'm writing something, but it is not writing. What happened to today's class? Okay, let us do one thing. I will tell point by point. Okay, if you want, you can note down. First checking is based on even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, even, odd. First checking is even, odd. In the given numbers, if all the numbers are even numbers, one is odd number, then that will be the different compared to the remaining. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Generally, they are very low level. Means even and odd means they are very low level. Generally, questions may be not there based on that logic. Very simple logic. No?
Yes, sir.
And second is very important one is prime numbers. What is a prime number? Tell me. Anyone?
A number with factors
Which
1 and the
is
number itself.
divisible by 1 and itself.
Simply which is divisible by 1 and itself is a prime number.
Yes, sir, and it has no
Yes,
other
sir.
factors.
Yeah, you have to mention that point compulsory because every number is divisible by 1 and itself. Yes or no? Every number is divisible by 1 and itself. If you take 4, is 4 divisible by 1?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
4
sir.
divisible by itself?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
according to your definition, it should be a prime number.
But no, sir, it is not.
No, sir.
Yeah.
It is.
That's why a number divisible by only 1 and itself. If we mention that word only, then we can say it is not suitable for any number, any other. Okay. A number other than that definition, this is better. I think Piyush said it. What is that? A number having
Factors.
exactly 2 factors. A number
Okay.
having exactly 2 factors is a prime number. A number having exactly
Yes,
2 factors. What are those 2 factors? Means 1 and itself only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the given numbers, all are not prime numbers. There is only one prime number, then that will be the answer. Okay. So what is a composite number then?
So basically, a number which has factors other than 1 and the number itself is called
Other than 1 and
composite.
itself, every number is having a 1 and itself compulsory.
Yes, sir, like apart from 1 and
Yeah,
the number
yes,
itself.
yes. Then can I say a number having more than 2 factors?
Yes, sir, more than 2 factors.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, a number having more than 2 factors is a composite number. So we should not say numbers other than prime numbers are composite numbers because 1 is not a prime number. But is it a composite number?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. 1 is having how many
Yes.
factors?
Only 1.
Only 1.
Only one,
It
sir.
is not having 2 factors. That is why it is not a prime number. It is not having more than 2 factors. That is why it is not a composite number too. So that is why generally you will find this statement like 1 is neither the prime number nor the composite number.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, I'll write the list of the things. Number 1, maybe based on even and odd. Number 2, maybe based on prime and composite. Prime and composite. Next, number 3. Tell me any other categories. All are one category and one is different. One is not belonging to that category. Suppose tell me 16,
So
8,
square roots, squares.
27, 125. What the answer? What is the answer here? What is the odd man? Yes.
So 1 second.
Find the different one.
So 125.
No. Reason?
So it's not a square, right? Okay, but this is also not a square, yeah.
Yeah. Then 16 is the different one.
16 is different because it's the only square.
No. It is the only square is also okay. All the remaining numbers are perfect cube numbers.
Yes, sir.
This is 2 cube. This is 3 cube. This is 5 cube. Okay. So except 16, remaining all the numbers are perfect cube numbers. So maybe question is based on squares and cubes also. Question may be based on squares and cubes also. Okay, let me give you another example. Tell the answer for this. Some 24, 35, 15, 63.
So 50 is
Reason?
no. I'm asking why 50. That's-
No, I have given numbers, some numbers. So tell me the different one. Find the odd one in these numbers, in this set of numbers. That's a question. Why it is so means that's a question.
Sir, okay, 50 only, right? Yeah.
Find the different one. Identify the numbers. They are very near to some special numbers.
So all of them are near to 7. Like 35 and 63 are near to 7.
This is nearer to 5 square or not?
5
So
square.
50
Yes.
is not
Okay, yeah.
near to any number.
6 square, 7
Yeah.
square,
It is
yeah.
This is 5 square minus 1. This is 6
Six
square
square
minus 1.
square minus 1 and 8 square
This one
minus
is
1.
minus 1.
50
But
is
Yes,
not
sir,
this
near.
50 because it is 7 square plus 1.
that is the different one compared to the remaining numbers. Okay. Squares and cubes based on squares and cubes. Not only squares and cubes, nearby squares and cubes also. Nearby squares and cubes. Next checking is let me give another set of numbers. Some 24, 35, 48, and then 72.
So
Sir,
70,
35.
35.
72.
Reason?
Sir, it's an odd number, right? Sir, all are even numbers.
Okay. I didn't expect that. Okay. Let me give
I
you
will do
another.
2 also because all are minus 1, minus 1, and minus
Yes,
1
sir.
and 72.
Okay. Then let me change the number. Here my intention is not that one.
Yeah.
Here it is 26. Okay. Now tell me. Here all are the even numbers only.
So 26.
Reason?
The others. No, I don't think so. That's valid. Like 4
Sir,
divided.
26.
Tell me according to
26
what
because,
logic? Based on which
other
logic?
all-
you are saying?
Other 3 are divisible by 24, sir.
Very good. Correct. So next point. Our next point is divisibility checking.
Multiples? Okay.
Multiple is nothing but divisibility only. No?
Yes, sir. Same thing.
Divisibility. We have to check the divisibility. Based on divisibility also answers will be decided. So here every number is divisible by 24 except 26. All other numbers are divisible by 24 except 26. That's why this is the answer.
Yes.
So first thing is maybe based on even odd. And second thing is prime and composite. Third thing is squares and cubes. Fourth is nearby squares and nearby cubes. Next fifth is divisibility. And one more thing is here, let me write the numbers. Some 358, 462, 297, 352 and 877. Tell the answer. You may not expect the logic.
1 second.
Think differently. It is not matching with even and odd. It is not matching with the prime numbers also. I think there are no square numbers and cube numbers.
Yes, sir.
Nearby squares, nearby cubes also not available. If you check the divisibility, no. And lastly, it is waiting for sixth point. Okay, let me tell the logic.
So
Sir,
1
wait, sir.
second.
1 second, sir,
Tell me.
please.
Tell me. Oh, here I had given some error. 1 second. Let me correct it. Maybe you may find the logic now. Got the logic? Think differently, because you know silly logics may be there sometimes.
Sir, is it like some of the first digits are
Yes,
different?
yes, correct. So first digit and third digit sum will be the middle digit. In every case,
Yeah, sir.
it is happening so, except in the first case.
Yes, sir.
So this is the different from the remaining. Okay. Finally, we have to try this type of silly logics also. So what we can say, digit experiments also we have to try. Digit experiments. Okay. Let me write one more example. Some January, November, October, July. Find oddman. Find the different one.
Sir, October, sir.
Reason?
Sir,
Because October is an even month.
Sir, it's odd month, sir. Yeah,
October is an even month.
10th month.
All are odd months only.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Jan is 1, November is 11, July is 7.
Okay, then.
October is 10.
Okay. Okay. My intention is not that one. That's why I'm changing this.
11 August.
Okay. So this is August. Okay. Now tell me.
Sir, November, as it has 30 days
Very
and
good.
rest of 31.
Very good. So
Number of
as
days.
you completed calendars, you should think like with that based on that point also. So number of
Yes,
days in the month.
that.
January consists of 31 days. November consists of 30 days only. October 31 days and August also 31 days. So the
31
different one is November.
Yes.
Okay. In every month there are 31 days except November. So that is also an experiment only, but that is not a digit experiments, number experiments and some different logics. Okay. All those comes under this model number 6. Okay. So check in this way. Number classification for number classification questions. Let us do some number odd man out questions, and later I will tell the points for letters. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Ready? Tell the answer for this. Find the different one.
Sir, 65.
Actually, you may say 65, but generally questions are not based on even and odd. Okay. Generally,
Sir,
because
how
that
do we
is,
know?
that is a very, very, very low level logic. That is. Actually, examiner should
Sir,
not give that chance also to you.
65, sir.
Sorry?
Because I don't think so.
Tell. Logic. These numbers are some nearby some special numbers, I think.
Sir, squares,
Yeah.
120.
Very good.
Yeah,
This number
plus
is
1, sir. Plus 1. Everything is plus 1 except 126.
yes. This is 7 square. plus 1, and this is 11 square plus 1, except 126.
120.
This is 5 cube plus 1.
Sir, how do we know like if our logic is correct or not? Like if there are two different things, like in this case.
Generally, it should not be there. It will not happen. Suppose if your logic is perfect, in our competitive exams, we have a facility. We can object. Okay, immediate after exam, they will release one key. That is not the final key. That is a preliminary key. By considering
sir.
all your objections, they will modify the key and they will release another final key. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Generally, that type of things will happen. This type of questions only. Classification, analogy, this type of questions only. Because we'll get multiple answers. That's why. Yeah. Tell the answer for this. Similar logic. It is better practicing squares and cubes memorized. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
plus 1.
Sir, it's
Square
going to be
plus 1.
360.
Yeah,
This number is
360.
360, except
3.
this number is.
Yeah.
Tell about
sir,
this
it's
number.
like,
Is it?
sir, it's not a perfect square plus 1, right?
Yeah, 15 square plus 1 is 226, 290 is 70 square plus 1, and 170 is
Yes, sir.
13
Very
square
good.
plus 1.
17 square plus 1. And what about 360?
360, it's not there, right, sir?
Sir, it's minus 1.
For which number?
361 minus
19.
Very good.
19 square.
19 square plus 1. Sorry, minus 1, right?
minus 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, overall they are nearby or one number gap, I think. So what about 170?
So 13
So
square
170
plus
is
1
169 plus
and
1.
226
square
is
plus 1.
15 square plus 1.
This is also 15 square plus 1. But this number is minus 1. That's why this is the different. 15 square plus 1, 17 square plus 1, 13 square plus 1, except option C. That is square minus 1. Okay. Yeah, here two numbers are given. This is not 20.10. This is 20 and 10. Two different numbers. So if this type of questions are given, try to establish some relation between these two numbers, and the relation should be same in every option. The one which is different from the remaining is a odd man. Tell any logic for this. 20 and 10. We can say divided by 10, right? Sorry,
Sir,
divided by
divisible. Yeah, sir.
but here it is not happening, and even here also it is not happening, but here it is happening. So it should happen in 3 cases. Okay, divided by 2 cancelled. Next it is plus 10, but it is not anywhere. It is not plus 10. Tell any other.
Sir, divisibility. Sir, divisibility.
Divisibility.
Yes, sir, 30 and 18. Okay, no, they both are also divisible, yeah. No, sir, 20 and 10, because they are the only numbers not divisible by 3.
Okay.
45 and 27 are also not
Yeah.
divisible by 6.
They are divisible by 3, right?
They are divisible by 3, right? 15 and 9.
Every set is divisible by 3. Every set is divisible by 3 except option A.
Except 20 and 10.
Yes. This
So
is a
that's
proper
not
logic
logic.
only. This is a proper logic only. So generally 2 numbers are given, relation will be like this only, but here it is not happening like this. So here we have followed another, like similarly previous questions only. Yes, every set of numbers is divisible by 3 except option A. Next is 7, 26, 8, 30, 10, 35, 15, 30. 7 3s are 21 plus 5, 8 3s are
24 plus 6.
4 plus 6.
10 3s are 30 plus 5.
Sir,
Okay,
option D is wrong.
but it is
Option
not happening.
B.
It is directly into 2.
Sir,
No,
option
sir. 15, we cannot do it, right? 15 3s.
Hmm.
The difference?
Difference. Tell the difference. First difference is
19.
no.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry.
19 only.
19 only.
Yes, sir.
Next difference.
And 22.
22. Here it is.
15.
15 here. 25.
25.
25.
15. Here 22. No relation.
Sir, 22, right? That's the only even difference.
Then in that case, I can tell 19 also. That is the only prime number.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Any logic matching?
Prime, even or all not working for sure.
Every number is divisible by 5. No, that is also not.
Except 26.
Really?
Okay, every second number is divisible by 5 except 26. Option A.
What about the first numbers then? Okay, here we can say similarly only option A, because it is the only prime number. Except option A, remaining all the numbers are composite numbers.
Okay, sir, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, in both the ways it is option A only. Okay, similarly, one more question. Here, I think we can check the multiplication.
Yes, sir. Sir, option
many
C,
times
sir.
it is?
Everything is multiplied by 4.
Okay,
Except option
second
C.
number into how much is 1 by 2? 1 by 2
Into 1
how
by
much is
4.
1 by 2?
Into 1 by 4.
Into 4, right? Second number to
Into-
first number I'm taking.
Okay, yes, sir.
Into 4. Here second number to first number. Into 3. Here second number to first number.
Into
Into
4.
4. Here also second number to first number. Into 4.
Into
So
4.
this is the different one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here I have used arrows. Okay, second number to first number, it is into 4. Next is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Yeah,
7,
here,
9.
7, 9, sir.
So 7.
yes, you can
Because
tell
it
the
has
answer
a
easily
composite
because
number.
all
Composite
are
number.
set
Prime
of
number.
prime numbers except option B.
Yes, sir.
There is a composite number. Yes, correct. Here, have you seen anywhere this type of symbol?
So B.
Yes, sir.
Last class, right?
Yes, sir.
Analogy. Analogy equations in
So is it B?
B, logic.
So all of the first numbers are prime except B.
Except B. Okay. Just try to relate it in this way. Is there any relation?
7 plus 10. Okay.
Suppose if it is into 3,
11. Okay. Into 3 minus
minus 3. 11 3s are
3 plus 3.
plus 3. 9 3s are no.
27.
No,
sir, it's going.
Minus 1
No, sir,
only.
it's going.
30.
It is directly. Okay, here as Sujay, I think Sujay said we can say option A, or I can give another logic also here. In only option D, it is happening.
I should option B because first number is only for B. It's not prime.
Option B, okay. First number, based on the first number, it is not the prime number. Option B.
Yes, sir. Also, for all of them, second number is multiple of 2.
Multiple of 2 means it is a composite number.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And even as well as they
So
are even numbers also.
only B.
Okay, I can say option D also with another logic. Only in option D, it is a divisibility. Second number is divisible by first number. It is not happening anywhere.
Sir, how come?
Yes or no? Oh, sorry, it is not
13
divisible.
4s are 52.
That
Right?
is
Oh,
39.
okay. It is not divisible. Okay, in every case, it is not divisible then.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then option B is the answer finally. Because same all are having all are having one composite number and one prime number. Sorry, prime number and composite number. Prime composite, except option B. So here it is showing time 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Try to rejoin again. Okay. Tell the answer for this.
Sir,
Sir,
option A.
option A. Option A. Everything is square.
Okay. Second number square is first number.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So here second number first number, not second number first number. One number square is another number.
Yeah, that is the better logic. Yeah.
Places are changed here. So option A. Okay. Shall we go to letter type?
Okay, sir.
Okay. After this,
Okay.
we'll move on to letter. What can be the logic
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
You think
Sir, is
divisibility?
it plus 12?
H
Plus 12.
Plus
Okay.
12
Here also
minus-
plus 12.
So
Okay.
here everything is no, sir.
Sir,
It's
that's fine.
only option D, sir. Option D, because
Yes,
there
yes,
is
sir,
24
option.
24
Yeah, yes.
difference.
Every set of numbers having difference 12 except option D.
Yes, sir.
Except option D. Yes, correct. Okay, let us see letter type.
Okay, sir.
Before going to solve the questions, let me tell the points here. If one letters are given, only one letter is given. Only one
Sir,
letter is given. First checking is whether it is an vowel or consonant. Next checking is, suppose, tell me the answer for this. A, B,
letter numbers.
G, H. Answer?
Sir, letter numbers, right?
Answer for this. A, B, Q, G, H.
Sir, A is the odd one.
A is the
Sir,
odd
B.
one because
A is the vowel.
it is the only
Vowel.
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 All are consonants. Yes, correct. Let me change the question here. Suppose if it is O, then tell me, Piyush, you
Sir,
can tell.
B.
B
I
reason
guess.
based on?
Sir, letter numbers.
Yes, correct. If it is not matching with the first vowel and consonant, if it is not matching, then we have to go for their positions. So position means letter numbers.
Yes, sir.
Based on
B
letter
is the
numbers.
only even letter number.
Yeah, once we have mentioned here letter number means it's a number, right? So all those number classification points comes into picture here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, even odd places and prime places and squares, nearby squares, cubes, nearby cubes, and divisibility also. Suppose tell the answer for
Sir,
this.
O.
L, O, I, M, and then X. Answer for this. Here, answer is it is not matching with the vowel and consonant, right?
Okay.
Then
LOI
letter
has-
numbers only. Try with the letter
Yes, sir,
numbers.
letter numbers. 12, 50.
It is the only prime number now.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is only prime place letter, prime position letter. Suppose if I change this M to V, then answer.
1 second, sir.
This is 12, 15, 9, 22, and 24. Try number classification points.
Yes, sir.
Here all the numbers are divisible by 3.
Except
Divisible by three,
22.
sir.
Except 22.
Except
Yes,
22,
sir.
sir.
Yes, that is the different from the remaining. Okay, once we mentioned letter number means all those number classification points comes into picture. We have to try all of them. Okay, then, and if it is not matching with the letter numbers also, then it can be less than 1 minute is there. Shall we stop and we'll join again?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm ending the session. Join again immediately.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So
Yeah,
how
correct.
come D and X?
CX opposite, GT opposite, EV opposite, BY
Yes, sir.
opposite, AZ, DW. But DX, EY, they are not opposite letters. That's why this is the difference.
sir.
The remaining. Correct. Opposite pairs of letters. Oh, similar logic, I think. Tell the answer for this.
Same logic, sir. No, sir. There's a different logic, sir.
Yes. But partially similarity is also there. This is opposite pair, but this is
So that is also opposite, right?
Plus one.
Yeah.
And
that is
opposite,
opposite,
yeah,
but
that's
it is
also
not
opposite.
happening in any
Opposite.
other case. That's why.
You will.
Okay. It is also plus one and it is opposite pair.
IRDV.
This
Yes,
is
sir,
opposite pair
IRDV.
and it is plus one. This is opposite pair, correct, but it is not plus one. So that's why this is the difference.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And after doing this, we'll go to GK type. Tell the answer for this. E to B it is
-3 plus 2.
okay here.
4 minus 1. -4
And it
MO
is
plus 2.
no. Yes, plus 2. Very good. I to F
I to F
9 and 6.
5 9 okay, minus
6 and 8.
plus 2.
25, 22.
20 minus 3.
And it
3
is
plus X.
VX 22, 24
X.
plus 2.
25
Answer is
plus
options.
option C.
Yeah. Let us see some GK questions also.
So
Tell the answer.
sometimes it can be like the order is reversed, right?
Yes. Order means
So like plus 2 and minus 3 in first option, but then like this. So in that case, can we just take the sum of all things? Like -1,
plus 2
-1,
minus 3.
-1,
Second
2,
option
-4 plus 2, same thing, sir.
minus
4 plus 2.
-4 plus 2. Okay. One more option.
So -3 plus 2, same thing, sir, except the first one is changed. That's all.
Okay. Then that will be the different.
Yes, sir, because like the net sum is -1. Can we do it like that?
Yes, yes. Yeah. Rice, wheat, barley, mustard. Find the different one.
Mustard. Mustard is a seed, rest all are crops.
Mustard is the only seed.
Yes,
All
sir.
are
Rest
seeds.
all like
Not seeds.
not seeds exactly, but sir,
So they're grains.
yeah, grains. Yeah.
Okay. All they are grains and it is the only seed. Arrow, sword, knife, and X.
Knife.
Reason?
Sir, arrow because
So the rest are used in war as and knife is
Arrow is the
used
different.
in
Arrow is also
Sir,
there.
it's the projectile.
All these are used for cutting purpose, but it is not for cutting purpose.
It is for piercing.
Listen, feel, think, sing.
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 Everything is inside our mind except singing.
All are inputs and it is the output.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. All are inside and that is outside. Volume, size, large, and shape.
shape.
Volume.
Shape.
Okay. Shape, yeah.
Yeah, all are belonging to size, but it is different.
Size group.
Anxiety, worry, inhibition, curiosity.
Curiosity.
Reason?
Curiosity.
Because rest all are negative feelings.
No.
Sir, rest all are
Anxiety,
related to
negative
stress.
feeling.
Sir,
That's
it's
sort of
stress,
right.
right?
everything is related to stress, but
Okay, okay,
curiosity is different.
okay, right. And lastly, seismograph, earthquake,
Seismograph.
cyclone,
Seismograph, sir.
Seismograph,
only
it is an instrument.
equipment, remaining
Rest all
are
are
not equipment.
disasters.
Disasters. Yes. Nephrology, entomology, astrology, and mycology.
Astrology, because the rest all are medical studies.
Biological sciences, and it is
Yes, sir.
social. Mathematics, geometry, algebra, and trigonometry.
Mathematics, because it's just subject.
Mathematics.
Yeah.
These all are
All-
chapter
All
names.
these
sir.
are parts
Chapter
of chapters of mathematics.
Mathematics.
Advise, counsel, direct, and suggest.
Direct.
Direct.
Advice,
Uh,
consult, suggest, or will speak. No, sir. If we say directly, means that is
Direct
directly.
meaning like they'll order us.
Yes, sir. They will order.
In this case,
You have to do this.
the other person should follow, compulsory follow.
Yeah, sir.
Other cases,
Yes, sir.
they will
Rest all
follow
are
or they
just,
may not follow.
Yeah, sir.
Yes,
This is
sir.
a consult.
Right.
Suggest.
Yes. And last question: petrol, acetone, mercury, and
Mercury.
Mercury.
Because rest all are
all are petroleum products.
All
volatile.
the petroleum that is a planet.
All are volatile products, right?
This is not this is a planet name as well, but it is a material name also, na?
Yes, sir.
Evan,
So I'm saying that all the three A, B, and D are volatile, but mercury is not
yes.
volatile.
Correct. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow we'll see another topic. I think we can start a series tomorrow.
Which series,
Yes,
sir?
sir.
We'll start series. First we'll see number series. Later we'll see letter series. Later number and letter series and GK series will be there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir,
One by one we'll see all those things.
that today less strength, sir.
Bye, sir.
Sorry.
Today less strength is less, sir.
Very less strength. First time it is okay, but in the second time there are only 10 members connected. Okay, bye.
Bye.